You are going to love the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.